Hey guys, what's up? Long time no see. How is everybody doing? Happy new year. I know your girl is a month late, but I am back. So first and foremost, I just want to say happy new year. May this year be filled with so much positivity and you fulfill everything and anything that you want to achieve this year. You got this. You will accomplish it. So as you can see, I am coming back with new energy, a fresh start. You guys know that I was on a hiatus for quite some time and I'm like all over the place. First and foremost, to all my new subscribers, hey, what's up? I'm Allie. If you're new to my channel, then please feel free to hit that subscribe button right down below. That way you guys don't miss anything new and upcoming that I upload on my channel. And if you've been rocking with me since day one, then welcome on back. But yeah, I'm back, you guys, and I'm back to my regular uploading schedule. While I am still getting some things together in my life, I am in a much better place emotionally and mentally. So I'm sure that all of this is gonna come across within my new videos. I'm super excited to be filming regularly again because I missed it like crazy. So I have two new up and coming videos that will be out. The first one should already be up by the time you're watching this one. So I will have two bomb videos up for you guys this week. And yeah, today's video is a spontaneous and quick style. I wanted to show you guys what a typical morning with me is like when I'm styling my hair. Usually I just go off rip and see what the vibe is like depending on my outfit or depending on my makeup or depending on just how I'm feeling. That's usually the style that I will portray. So I did a twist out the night before, or better yet, I flat twisted my hair, and this is what I came up with for today. I'm getting ready to head out to work. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this quick and easy, funky, you know, nice little like 70s vibe look, then please feel free to keep on watching. I gave it a little bit more of glam with the hoop earrings. You guys know I don't usually wear hoops like that, but these were super cute. And if you're wondering, I got these at my local beauty supply for $5 and they are doing the damn thing. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and once again, please make sure to subscribe and share this video all over the place. We are almost at 100K and I'm super excited. Also, shout out to my girlie Takia B. She's about to hit 100K and I'm so proud of her because I've been watching her like since day one. So kudos to you, girlie. And yeah, so please feel free to keep on watching and I will see you guys in my next one. Alrighty y'all, so starting off, if you're wondering, my satin bonnet is from GlowbyDaye and it's one of my favorite satin bonnets at the moment. I absolutely love it. It's really big, really huge, and I highly recommend it for anyone with super thick hair. But as you guys can see, I flat twisted my hair the night before, so this is what I'm starting off in order to achieve this look. And just going in, removing my perm rods, I'm then going to go ahead and just undo my twist so I can get to styling. Once they're completely unraveled, the next step for me is usually to just pick at my roots in order to get a whole bunch of volume. And when I say this style was super spontaneous, I mean I was just going with the flow. This is usually what every morning of styling looks like for me. Sometimes I'll leave my hair just as is, like you see here, but other days I do want to add a little more funk and lovin'. So I then went in and parted my hair from the side. I was literally just going with the flow because originally I did have in mind to do an updo and I was going to pull all my hair up, but once I saw how bomb the twist turned out, I was like, okay, let me do something else. So as you can see, I've tucked that small front section behind my ear, and now I'm just going in and grabbing a smaller section from the side and letting
those twists on the lower half of my hair to just flow and do their thing, and I just repeated the same thing on the other side. So I pretty much ended up going with a half ponytail look once I saw how full and how defined my hair looked. And then grabbing a scrunchie, I just secured that top section 3 times. Once I adjusted it to my liking, I then started playing with that front section, and believe it or not, these are actually my bangs. I had bangs in high school that were super short, and that's just how long they've grown out now. And I'm securing that with a few bobby pins and then just adjusting it. I love it to frame my face in a way where it's not too low or too high. And then going in with my Eco Styler gel, I'm just smoothing my hair down so that there aren't any flyaways, and you can really just get that bang in your face look that gives it that super funky vibe that I love. And I'm just readjusting it a bit. And then the next thing that I did was that I just went in with my pick once more to give it some added volume and really just make it full and poppin', because I was just feeling really sultry this day. I don't know what it was, and the hoop earrings just added that extra oomph that this look needed. But yeah, once I added the hoop earrings for effect, your girl is done, and this is what I was left with. So if you guys are rocking a bomb twist out or a braid out that you don't want to rock all the way out and you want to give it a little more loving, I highly recommend this look. Love you all mucho. Let me know if you guys are going to try it out in the comments down below, and if you want to see more vids like this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!